object that you could take into your classroom. So here I'm going to start by doing the header. Down arrow to get out of it, and then I'll start by plotting 4x minus 7 as x goes from -10 to 10. Again, that goes inside braces. After the plot you have brackets. I'm going to run that. It gives me a nice little graph. This one is not interactive, but if you use the manipulate command, I can create a function. Manipulate comes up when I start typing it. I want to manipulate a plot, and then our basic straight line mx plus b. So I have m times x plus b. And again, I want x to go from -10 to 10. That's my graph, and that closes my plot command. And then I'm going to set my variables here are m and b. So I want m to go from -5 to 5 with a step value of 0.1, and I'll let b also go from -5 to 5 with a step value of 0.1. So when I run this, it gives me, let me make that larger, it gives me a graph that I can manipulate. I can use this dragger bar, and notice that it doesn't really look like the slope is changing, other than it's negative here and it's positive there, but that's because the range, it's adjusting the range so that the values fit within the domain, -10 to 10. Then if I adjust the y-intercept, notice that it's also changing the range. So I might want to come back here, and within my plot, let's change the range. So plot range goes from -10 to 10. We'll run the command again. So now as I drag my slope, the actual coordinate plane doesn't change, it's only the graph that's changing. And as I adjust my y-intercept, you can see that the y-intercept is changing. Notice the plus sign here. I can click on the plus, and if there's a specific slope that I want to illustrate, like I wonder if it'll let me do 3/2. No. But I could do 1.5. And for the y-intercept, I could adjust this to you could play this as an animation, pause it, you could step through it, you can make it go faster or slower, forward or backwards. You could run both of these at the same time. I'm not sure how helpful that would be. Let me stop those. And there are some other commands. If you want to set initial settings, you can. and so forth. If you want to hide the controls, however you want to set it, you can go through the settings here and adjust them. Not really sure why I had two graphs there.